All right, so some posting here, playing some golf, but I wanted to jump in and do some posting early this week. Last week I was playing a lot of golf, and that posting didn't come in until late. Honestly, I didn't want to miss it because I'm going back on all these posts at the end of my sabbatical to see what's going on and what's the deal, and just to enjoy it, to enjoy the fact that we have obeyed God, that we've taken time to heal, that we've taken time to rest, that we've taken time to unlearn and learn and hear the Lord and do what He asks us to do. That's the beauty of it. Sometimes it's such a fight and such a battle to obey God, and we get caught up in what men will say, what people will say, when in reality it's just obeying the Lord, because we're going to have to give Him an account for every single thing that we've done on this earth. And that's why it's good to be at peace. And it's good to know that we've obeyed His voice. So anyways, here playing some golf today, and it's gonna be beautiful. It's a great day. Great 2 weeks ahead of us. We are actually starting to pack some boxes, because in a few weeks we'll be heading out to Redding, California. Yep. And we said it before, we're spending a year in Redding, healing, resting, hearing the Lord, and a few more things that we got planned. But that's it. Lots of packing the next 2 weeks. Lots of making some moves and some decisions we have to make, and getting some things in order. But it's gonna be great. So we're really looking forward to it. And it's cool to jump in here to make this post. So when I go back, I'll see that I was golfing and I put on this post that we're packing our boxes because we're heading out to Redding, California. And we're packing an RV and just gonna drive it all the way to Redding. It's gonna be super fun too. Gonna be doing some posting while I'm doing all of that, and just the fun posting on IG here is just, just to document what's happening, how far we are into the journey, and what do we see coming and whatnot. So it's gonna be great. We're loving it, really excited about it. Sunshine here in Florida, and that's about it for this week. It's gonna be good. We're actually excited about that. Excited. By the way, if you play golf, don't come here to the rock. Look at all this water. You're definitely gonna be on the water. But if you want to get better, here is where you play. If you play golf, my gosh, stay away from this place. Water, water, water everywhere. There's water. More water there in those holes. More water. There's water everywhere. This is definitely for the avid, for the more advanced, skilled, low handicap kind of golfer. But well, enough with the golf talk. So that's about it. Like I said, super looking forward to the next 8 weeks, next month and a half, about tops 2 months. Just April and May, June we are right now. Can't wait to get on that RV and just head out. So we're excited about it, looking forward to it, and that's about it. Just jumping in here, making my posting for this week, and that's what's up. A lot more stuff coming later on this channel. For now, just documenting this amazing sabbatical that we needed to heal, to rest, to hear the Lord, and that's what's up.